Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve the first question of 2014 NEET NEET question paper, Physics. So let us start with question number 1. So then the question is, this is the first question of 2014 NEET paper. This is the physics paper. The first question is, if force F, velocity V and time t are taken as fundamental units, they are not fundamental units but they are taken as fundamental units in the question, then the dimensions of mass are, which of the following options is correct? So you have to find the dimension of mass taking into consideration that these are the fundamental quantities. That means you have to express this mass in terms of F, V and T. Now, to solve this, we'll use the concept of dimensional analysis. Any type of questions which are asked like this, we'll consider whatever is asked here and whatever are given, we express the required quantity in terms of the given quantity and the power of those quantities. What I want to say is, here mass is asked, and we write that mass is equal to some constant times force power A, V to the power B and T to the power C. This is your mass. This we write by this concept that mass is proportional to force power A, V power B and T power C. Removing this, we have got dimensionless constant. If it is not dimensionless, then we cannot solve the problem. So this has to be dimensionless constant, because now the process is very simple. We take the dimensions of both sides of the equation and then solve to get the value of A, B and C. Taking dimensions of both sides, this is m to the power 1 obviously, L will be 0, T will be 0. It is dimensionless, so no dimension is 1, so it's not taken. Force M, L, T minus 2, power A, V is L, T minus 1, power is B, here it is T and power is C. If I solve this, M to the power A, because power A is there, L to the power A here, B here, so L to the power A plus B, T to the power minus 2A here, minus B here, plus C there. So this is the dimension on the right side, and in the left side you have this. Now because this is this and these are equal, so you just have to see the power of M here, 1, here it is A, so they must be same. If you want this to be equal to this, then A must be 1, then only they will match. Similarly, A plus B must be 0, because it is 0 here, it should be 0. Similarly, this should be 0, then only this will match. So what I want to say is that for this to be equal, M to the power 1 must be equal to M to the power A, then only they will be identical. So from here I will get A value is 1. Similarly, this A plus B must be equal to 0. So I write A plus B is 0. Another equation I'll get from here, minus 2A minus B plus C is 0. And already we got a equals to 1. Already we have got a equals to 1 here, so substitute this value here. What I will get, if we put a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1. And only one thing is left to find the value of c. So from here, minus 2 into a is 1, minus b, minus of minus 1, plus c is 0. This is minus 2 plus 1 plus c is 0. This is c minus 1 is 0. C is 1. So after you got the value of a, b, c, you have to put this in this expression, or this expression, or this expression is proportional to are taken as fundamental quantities. Then you write in this form. So m mass can be written as f to the power a, because this is dimensionless, f to the power a, that is f to the power a is 1, so it will be f. V to the power b, so v to the power b, b is minus 1 here. T to the power c, so t to the power c, c is 1, so nothing is there. So this is the final expression for mass in terms of force, velocity and time. So if I want to write the mass in terms of force, velocity and time, taking these are the fundamental quantities, then mass will have this representation. So if I see the options, so this is the final answer. Dimension of m, fbt minus 1, fv, no, the first option is not right. Second option, fbt minus 2, no, minus 2, this is not right, this is not right, this is the only right answer. fv minus 1 t, fv minus 1 t. So this is the right answer to this question. Okay, thank you.